Alright, since no one seems to have a video of this, we're going to attempt to do the repair. So, as you can see, let's see if we can zoom in enough. You can see that that pin has dropped down, and that's why there's no spring left in the door. So, we are going to try to push those two tabs in from underneath, and then use some plastic trim tools to get it from the top. So, give me a second, let me see if I can get this. We're getting there. It's a work in progress, that's for sure. Alright, it's out. Alright, once you've got it off and got it to a working area, you will just take off the retainer clip, take out the crappy plastic pin, and we're going to replace it with this kit off of Amazon. I'll link it in the description just like I do everything else. So we're going to attempt to get this in, and I will come right back. Alright, we've got it all done. I'm one of those kinds of people that like to do something and then explain how it was done compared to trying to explain how I'm doing it, and that might not be the right method until I actually do it. So in this case, we brought it inside. We got it on a working surface, took out the plastic pin, took out the factory clip, and you will put the new metal pin down inside there. And then once you've got it through, you'll put you'll put a washer on top of it, and then a cotter pin, and then you'll put the spring around the back. And I doubt I can do this one-handed, but it springs very well. So we will get it put on the truck, and then we'll come back to it, and I'll show you what it looks like. But getting it off of the truck was the hardest part. Getting this put together was nothing. All right, finished product. Got it back in. See, it opens. And watch the snap. Boom! Wish I'd have showed it before. That's crazy. That's been something that's annoyed me since buying this truck. And a simple, I think it was $13 replacement pin upgrade fixed it all. Thanks for watching.